Hi guys, it's Blossom, and today I'm doing something absolutely unhinged. I'm going to SOLO Animal Hospital. Yep, alone. As the secretary, alright, first patient of the day, checking in, everything looks normal. Second patient, we are understaffed today, so hopefully everything goes smoothly. I'm fired up though. This is what it's really like checking into a hospital, by the way. I always found it so awkward whenever they take my picture, but now I know hospitals are just checking to see if I'm an anomaly. I feel a lot better now, knowing it's just for anomaly checks. Herbs, delivered. Eye drops, got 'em. I'm basically a doctor now. What is that? Is that an anomaly? Nope. Nope. Closing the shutters. I'm not built for this. Why are the lights flickering like that? I'm not ready for anything scary again. Okay, thank goodness, a normal patient. I'm scared. I don't want another anomaly today. No way, nope. Why is this patient twitching like that? It's time to check the cameras. No way, look how it's like twisted up like that. My heart is beating like crazy right now. Goodbye, Smith. Why is there poop on my floor? I'm not cleaning that. I don't get paid enough to do that. Anyway, back to treating the good patients. Oh no, we lost one. Come back. Okay, well. Never mind. Now I have to ask this guy to leave. Next patient. Now why would you just poop and walk away like that? That's nasty. And guess what? I'm not cleaning that up. Maple syrup time. We're already on shift 3 and suddenly I have a shop? Okay, sure, why not? This patient looks normal. Checking their picture. Yep. 3 eyes? Absolutely not. You're not coming in? And look at it watching me leave. Oh my gosh, another one just walked right in. Shutters closed. Ugh, hurry up and go away. It's so creepy with its big eyes and a million teeth. Finally, someone normal. Ron from accounting. Bless you, Ron. Wait, Ron. I want to know why they keep hiring new people. I'm ready to unravel all the secrets of this hospital. This hospital's so nasty. I'm going to report it to corporate for unsafe working conditions. Treating this patient in the fancy room. Tap, 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 tap. OMG, did you see the stalker? Okay, they're good. Okay, I have to memorize the pattern. Blue, green, red, red. Okay, time for my first surgery. I'm sweating. I'm alone. I'm scared. You only get 45 seconds to complete the surgery. I'm feeling good to take on the hospital right now. Next shift. No way. A patient is on fire. This hospital is insane. Yeah, I'm going to buy faster DNA processing because these computers are slow. It's already shift 4. Things are getting pretty crazy. I have a taser. I'm drinking coffee. My sanity is hanging by a thread. Ron said there's a monster under the bed. I'm keeping maple syrup on me at all times. This person is suspicious. OMG, it says don't look up. Well, that just makes me want to look up even more. What is that thing? It has so many eyes and it's dripping sweat on me. It's so creepy, I don't want to look at it anymore. Let me treat this patient quickly. Why is it chasing me? Go away, stop chasing me. Wait, it just disappeared. Looking at the cameras, this place is cursed. There is no peace. Look, a ritual in room 2. He's floating. Taser! An anomaly attack? Oh no, I don't know if I can do this. Look, this is so bad. So many anomalies got in, I have to stop them. With my taser. Okay, moving on to surgery. It's an anomaly. Patient is full of poop. And this one is doing a ritual and I don't have a taser. I have to put out the candles quickly. My sanity is dropping. I need coffee immediately. This animal looks like an anomaly. Taser! Come on. You know that one totally looked like an anomaly. Okay, saving lives, putting out fires. I have so many jobs here. I'm a firefighter, a doctor, and a security guard. Oh. Doing great. Oh, it was normal. My bad. Another fire? Luckily, no one's in there. Oop, that's definitely an anomaly. Shutters closed, sanity up. These anomalies keep trying to get in. Another fire? Oh no. A skinwalker is eating a patient. Where are they? Get away, taser. Now I finally have time to put out all these fires. Hopefully my patients leave me a good review. They are still alive, they just got a bit crispy. Well, would you look at that? Nope. Why is it all bent up like that? So creepy. Definitely not checking it in. I had to buy this. It's getting too crazy in here. If I want to survive here, I have to have the best tools for my safety. Oh, look at this little fella. Matthew said not to trust anyone here. I wonder why. What is this three-eyed creature? And why is there more poop on the floor? Ron, what do you mean the patients are infected and being tested on? No way that's true. I think this is an anomaly. Oh no, I was wrong. It's okay. I'm focusing on the surgery. Leave a like and comment on your tips and tricks to survive in the animal hospital. Success! But this one must be an anomaly. Oh no, I was wrong again. My sanity is too low. I'm gonna do better. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. Thanks for watching part 1.